Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to record your screen on LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. To start a screen recording, you're gonna have to press the combination of Ctrl Shift and Recents key at the same time. This will get you to the capture menu. Now, we don't want to take a screenshot. Instead, we want to switch to video recording mode by selecting right here, this icon right here, and then we're gonna have to select one of the three available screen recording options. The first one we see on the toolbar is the full screen recording. The second one is the partial recording, so we can select an area on our screen to start recording and start recording our video just by clicking right here. And the last option is the window recording. In order to start this, you have to open a window on your screen, then click on it to start the recording. We also have settings where we can change the audio input for our recording. We can also enable or disable the camera during the recording. We can show or hide clicks and keys, and we can change the downloads folder. Now let's try a sample recording. As you can see, we have the countdown. Once the countdown finishes, everything we see on our screen gets captured. And once you want to stop doing that, you have to simply click this red square icon. To find your finished recording, you have to open the files and go to downloads. And here we actually have our screen recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.